ASME's mission to advance engineering for the benefit of humanity has never been greater than it is today.
The world needs new ways to make our lives safer, healthier, and more sustainable.
As news on the COVID pandemic began to unfold, leadership at ASME quickly pivoted to work-from-home protocol, complying with recommendations of local and government authorities in order to keep ASME staff, their families, and the engineering community as safe as possible.
ASME's global operation paused for a while when we had to regroup and make sure that how our people can stay home and still deliver the technology and the leadership that is required to advance our mission.
In November of 2019, we made a decision to upgrade our communications platform, both on the email and the video conferencing side. We signed a commercial agreement with Zoom, and that commercial agreement and the implementation, which was ongoing, was just about complete about the time that the pandemic hit.
The ASME response team sprung into action. The team really understood that ASME products and services are broad-ranging and target a variety of audiences.
The technology that was available in order to be able to facilitate led us to quickly switch over to virtual meetings, and the attendance of those virtual meetings has been substantial.
We were able to really deliver something new and innovative in these challenging times to people where they were and where they lived. And that was really important to us in terms of really increasing the impact of our industry events.
Well, I'll be the first to admit an in-person meeting is the best. Our virtual conferences continue to be successful and allow us to exchange information and solve the world's global problems. From our Code Week meetings to Turbo Expo to our multiple divisional conferences, everyone has been able to present and continue the work and the success of our teams.
It's interesting how people are connecting with each other on these platforms as well, and they're reaching out and they're talking to each other, and they're really creating some lasting relationships through this new vehicle of virtual events. One of the ways that we've brought people together is around key topics in digital engineering, like additive manufacturing, digital twin, offshore wind, and robots for inspection and maintenance, and really driving the digital transformation for all different types of industries.
I personally believe diversity and inclusion is a way of life. As part of our ongoing diversity and inclusion initiatives, we've put together a short video to show at least what's happening currently at ASME.
As the leading engineering society, ASME celebrates our successes and advancements of the past while preparing and keeping an eye on the future. Our guiding principles align us with those foundational beliefs that help drive our society, while observing our core values that everyone has the potential to make a difference and contribute to the development of humanity. At ASME, we are a diverse organization striving to make a contribution by addressing the global challenges of clean energy, public safety and healthcare, efficient transportation, and sustainability. We value everyone at ASME based on their ethics, knowledge, kindness, and empathy. We share a commitment to serve humanity. We are ASME.
I think diversity and inclusion is important to the engineering community as well as ASME because it provides a foundation for us to move forward as a society. We're trying to create a workplace where it's opening, it's welcoming to unique backgrounds, different ways of thinking, personalities, and thinking styles that are going to move us forward. It also opens up the organization where we can attract new talent into the organization from different pools that we haven't historically looked at.
The ASME Foundation has launched the Campaign for Next Generation Engineers. Underpinning all of this work is the goal of increasing diversity, equity, and inclusion across the engineering profession. The Campaign for Next Generation Engineers is supporting a variety of programs. In education, we have our Inspire K-12 STEM initiative. For college students, we have scholarships, we have engineering festivals for them. When an engineer is just starting his or her career, there are a variety of fellowships. There's something called the Career Engagement Center that we're building. We have our fabulous array of honors and awards for very seasoned engineers. And then there's a whole element of this work that has to do with engineering for global development, where the Innovation Showcase is really our premier program.
Despite all of our challenges, I'm proud of the way our volunteers and staff have pulled together to make this year a success and keep ASME focused on its mission.